If you're looking to move to Leander, Texas, and you're looking for a new home community, you do not want to miss today's home tour here at the Hawks Landing by Brightland Homes. This community has about 45 homes left, and they already sold about 500 homes already. So this is a pretty big community. And this one, homes start from the 4-bedroom to 6-bedroom, starting from 2,500 square feet all the way up to 4,300 square feet. So you get a wide range of selection. And today we're going to take a look at this beautiful single-story home Vanderbilt behind me. Starting price at $599,000, but what you get is 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. You get a 3-car garage, which is a fantastic, basically unheard of single-story 3-car garage floor plan. So I personally think that Brightland Home did a fantastic job in building up this community. And here's some community information. The HOA is $40. We're looking at the Leander ISD, one of the best school districts here in Austin area. Tax rate is 2.02. So this is a fantastic deal. And if you want to know the latest discount that can save you up to $15,000 in closing costs and home prices, you can reach out to me using the number down below. My name is William. I'm happy to help you understand all of the new home communities here in Austin area and what the new construction home market, what kind of discounts builders have, and I'll give you access that you cannot get anywhere else. So reach out to me using the number down below. And now let's take a look inside at this beautiful single-story 2,500 square feet Vanderbilt floor plan by Brightland Homes.